Hi, I'm Oliver Roman, and I'm here to give you some tips and tricks on miking vocals. Let's jump into it. All right, we're gonna set up a vocal ambient mic. I have a C414 set in Omni with a 40 hertz roll-off on the bottom. We have our vocalist Katie in the ISO room, and we're in a very reflective room, so we're gonna get some ambience in a whole nother room that will add some depth to our vocal sound. I like this mic because of the clarity that it provides on any source I put it on. It has the characteristics of the famous AKG C12. It has 9 selectable polar patterns for the perfect setting for every application. It has 3 attenuation levels for close-up recording or high output sources for up to 158 dB SPL. It has 3 switchable different bass cut filters. It also has overload warning with audio peak hold LED to detect the shortest audio peaks. All right, let's listen to what this vocal room sounds like.
Whoa,
Let's try something just singing, and we'll bring up the room for ambience. It adds like a lot of ambience, and it sounds like she's in a big room. It's super cool. It's like an effect that you can bring out and kind of accentuate with taste and flavor. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're ready to record professional sounding vocals at home. See you next time. Like, share, and subscribe for more AKG microphone tips.